Have you ever noticed an unusual smell in your body and simply ignored it? What if I told you that certain odors could be early warning signs of cancer? A musty breath, a metallic scent, or even a sweet fruity odor. These small changes might be signaling something serious. Your body is trying to warn you. Today, we'll reveal 8 strange smells that could indicate cancer, and some of them are often overlooked. Stay with me until the end. This information could save lives. The sense of smell is one of the most powerful human senses, capable of detecting subtle changes that often go unnoticed. However, few people realize that certain odors can serve as warning signs for serious diseases, including cancer. One of these signs is a musty smell in the breath, a concerning indicator that may be linked to oral or throat cancer. This distinct odor, resembling rotting wood, is caused by tissue necrosis and the release of volatile compounds from tumors. Unfortunately, many people dismiss this symptom, assuming it's just poor oral hygiene, which delays diagnosis and lowers the chances of successful treatment. If a persistent, musty smell is accompanied by other symptoms like non-healing sores, prolonged hoarseness, or difficulty swallowing, it's crucial to seek a specialist. Oral and throat cancer can be aggressive, but when detected early, the chances of recovery are significantly higher. Besides the unpleasant odor, other warning signs may indicate the need for medical attention. White or red patches in the mouth, unexplained ear pain, and the sensation of something stuck in the throat should not be ignored. Tests such as biopsies and MRIs can help detect potential abnormalities and start treatment as soon as possible. If you've noticed a persistent, musty smell in someone's breath, or have experienced these symptoms yourself, don't wait for the problem to resolve on its own. Your health is worth more than any doubt. If this information has helped you in any way, leave a comment so others can benefit too. Colorectal cancer is one of the leading causes of cancer-related deaths worldwide. Yet its early signs are often overlooked or mistaken for common digestive issues. One of these signs is a strong, persistent smell of decay in the stool. This foul odor occurs because cancer in the colon interferes with digestion, leading to the release of toxins and gases that alter the natural scent of waste. While stool odor can vary due to diet or medications, a consistent and unusually strong smell of decomposition should raise concerns. This change may be linked to incomplete digestion or the buildup of harmful substances in the intestines. If the odor is accompanied by other symptoms like bloody stools, persistent abdominal pain, changes in bowel habits, or unexplained weight loss, it is crucial to seek medical attention. One of the biggest dangers of colorectal cancer is that noticeable symptoms, including changes in stool odor, often appear in later stages of the disease, making early detection more challenging. That's why being alert to unusual changes in your body, even those as seemingly minor as stool odor, can make a significant difference in detecting cancer before it progresses. If you or someone you know has been experiencing these persistent changes, don't ignore them. Schedule a medical checkup and consider tests such as a colonoscopy or stool analysis to rule out any serious conditions. Early detection saves lives. Let me know in the comments if this information was useful for you. Breast cancer is one of the most common types of cancer among women, but it can also affect men, though more rarely. While most people associate it with lumps in the breast, few know that an unusual, sweet, and unpleasant odor coming from the skin or wounds near the breast could be a warning sign. This smell is particularly present in more advanced cases where infections or tissue necrosis occur. As cancerous cells grow uncontrollably, they can cause inflammation and infections in the affected area. releasing chemical compounds that produce this distinct odor. Often, open sores or ulcers on the breast are the source of this smell. Unfortunately, many dismiss it as a simple infection or poor hygiene, delaying medical attention. However, its persistence is a red flag that should not be ignored. In addition to the odor, breast cancer is often accompanied by other crucial symptoms, such as lumps in the breast or armpits, changes in skin texture or color, abnormal discharge from the nipple, and persistent pain in the area. When a combination of these signs occurs, especially along with an unexplained sweet scent, it is critical to seek medical evaluation immediately. The biggest challenge is that many people ignore early warning signs, assuming they are harmless. This negligence can delay diagnosis, reducing the chances of successful treatment. Breast cancer has a high cure rate when detected early, so paying attention to any changes, including unusual odors, could save lives. If you or someone close to you notices an odd smell from the skin or wounds in the breast area, don't wait. Seek medical advice as soon as possible. Stomach cancer is a silent and dangerous disease, as its early symptoms are often vague and easy to overlook. However, one of the most surprising warning signs is a persistent sulfur-like smell in the breath, similar to rotten eggs. This unpleasant odor occurs because stomach cancer disrupts digestion, leading to the production of sulfur-containing gases that escape through the mouth. Unlike common bad breath caused by food or poor oral hygiene, this sulfuric odor doesn't go away with brushing, mouthwash, or changes in diet. Many people mistake it for minor digestive issues, like acid reflux or gastritis, which can lead to a delay in diagnosis. But if this odor persists, it could be a crucial clue that something more serious is happening in the digestive system. In addition to the sulfur smell, stomach cancer may present other symptoms, such as abdominal pain, feeling full after eating small amounts, loss of appetite, unexplained weight loss, nausea, or frequent vomiting. If this combination of symptoms occurs, seeking medical attention becomes essential, as early diagnosis significantly improves treatment success rates. If you or someone close to you has noticed a long-lasting sulfuric breath that doesn't improve with hygiene or lifestyle changes, don't ignore it. Consult a doctor, especially a gastroenterologist, who can order tests like an endoscopy or biopsy to rule out serious conditions. Catching stomach cancer early can make all the difference in treatment and survival. The horrifying smell of rotting flesh, a warning for skin cancer, especially melanoma, is one of the most dangerous types of cancer. It can appear in various forms, but one of the least known and most alarming signs is a strong, putrid smell similar to rotting meat. This foul odor is caused by the necrosis, death, of cancerous skin cells, which release volatile compounds that produce an unpleasant scent. This smell often comes from open wounds or non-healing lesions on the skin. Unfortunately, many people ignore these wounds, mistaking them for minor infections, insect bites, or small injuries. The location of the affected area also plays a role in why this warning sign is overlooked. Cancerous lesions can appear on the back, scalp, or other hard-to-see areas. In addition to the rotten flesh smell, changes in moles or skin lesions are key warning signs. If a mole changes in size, shape, or color, or if a sore doesn't heal and starts to emit an unpleasant odor, it is essential to see a dermatologist immediately. Early detection of melanoma significantly increases survival rates. If you or someone close to you has noticed a persistent, foul smell coming from a wound that won't heal. Don't ignore it. Seek medical evaluation as soon as possible. Skin cancer can be aggressive, but when caught early, it is highly treatable. Always pay attention to what your body is trying to tell you. Kidney cancer is a serious condition that often develops silently, showing few symptoms until it reaches an advanced stage. However, one of the earliest and least recognized warning signs is a strong, pungent, ammonia-like odor in urine. This occurs because the kidneys, responsible for filtering toxins from the blood, start to lose their function due to the presence of cancerous cells. As a result, waste products, such as urea, build up in the body and create a strong, persistent smell of ammonia in urine. It's important to note that not every ammonia smell means cancer. Dehydration, urinary tract infections, and high-protein diets can also cause changes in urine odor. However, if the ammonia scent is persistent and accompanied by other symptoms like lower back pain, blood in the urine, extreme fatigue, or unexplained weight loss, it is crucial to consult a doctor. One major issue is that many people hesitate to seek medical help, assuming the symptom is harmless. Unfortunately, delaying a diagnosis allows kidney cancer to progress, making treatment more difficult. If detected early, the survival rates are significantly higher, and treatment options are more effective. If you notice a strong and unusual ammonia smell in your urine, don't ignore it. Listen to your body and seek medical evaluation as soon as possible. Early detection of kidney cancer can make all the difference in saving your life. A metallic smell in the breath or sweat is an unexpected yet potential warning sign of blood cancers, such as leukemia and lymphoma. Many people describe it as similar to rusted iron or old coins, and it can become more noticeable during excessive sweating or physical activity. This odor occurs due to chemical imbalances in the blood, as cancerous cells disrupt the production of healthy red and white blood cells. Since this sign is subtle and doesn't cause immediate discomfort, many people ignore it, attributing it to diet, environment, or hygiene. However, when combined with other symptoms like persistent fatigue, frequent infections, unexplained fevers, and sudden weight loss, this unusual odor should not be overlooked. One of the challenges with blood cancers is that they develop silently, often without obvious warning signs, until the disease has progressed. That's why paying attention to small, unusual changes, like a persistent metallic odor, can be crucial for early detection. The earlier leukemia or lymphoma is diagnosed, the better the chances of successful treatment. If you've been experiencing a consistent metallic smell in your breath or sweat, along with other concerning symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Your body is trying to tell you something. Listen to it. Early detection can make all the difference in fighting blood cancer. Lung cancer is one of the most silent and deadly types of cancer, often developing without noticeable symptoms for a long time. However, some people with lung cancer report a sweet, slightly fruity smell coming from their breath. This unusual odor is caused by the release of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from cancerous cells in the lungs. Unlike regular bad breath, this sweet scent is persistent and does not go away with oral hygiene or dietary changes. Many people dismiss it as a minor issue, mistaking it for digestive problems or even diabetes. However, if this odor occurs frequently and has no obvious cause, it could be a critical early warning sign. Lung cancer is often accompanied by other symptoms, such as persistent cough, shortness of breath, chest pain, fatigue, and unexplained weight loss. If you or someone close to you notices a persistent, sweet, fruity breath odor, especially combined with these symptoms, seeking medical advice is crucial. Early detection is key, as lung cancer has a much higher survival rate when diagnosed in its initial stages. If you suspect something unusual, don't hesitate. Listen to your body and get checked by a doctor. Sometimes, a small sign like an unexplained smell can save a life. Our bodies have incredible ways of warning us when something isn't right, and unusual smells can be one of these crucial signs. The 8 odors we discussed today may seem harmless at first, but when persistent, they could indicate a serious underlying condition, including cancer. Ignoring these signs can mean the difference between early detection and a late-stage diagnosis. If you or someone close to you has noticed any of these unusual odors, musty breath, a rotting smell, a metallic scent, or a persistent, sweet, or sulfuric odor, pay attention to other symptoms and seek medical advice as soon as possible. Early detection saves lives, and being aware of small changes in your body can make all the difference. Now, I want to hear from you. Did you know that odors could be linked to cancer? Have you ever noticed any of these unusual smells before? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this information to help others become more aware of these warning signs. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.